Hello, I am Vanshika Namdev from Team TechCurie. Well, the problem that we identified is that in this difficult time, COVID-19 patients are depressed and afraid. They are feeling that they are alone. So, we come up with a solution of building a platform, VNet, where all the COVID-19 patients from different parts of the world can communicate and fight together. Basically, VNet is a website which we are building for the corona patients from all across the world. Here, they can connect, communicate, and tell their stories. We are building this platform to give hope and motivate the COVID-19 patients that we can fight this. Also, COVID-19 patients have to isolate and stay away from their loved ones. So this is the platform where they can make new friends who are fighting just like them. Please take a look at this video.
I am not feeling good. I am afraid and feeling so alone. There are so many people here from different part of world who are suffering just like me. There are motivating stories here of recovered patients. If they can recover, then so can I. I will fight this.
Our product is unique because there is no platform for corona patients yet to connect with each other from different parts of the world. We will be sharing stories of recovered patients and will motivate the patients in this difficult time. So we named the website VNet, which means We Connect. Right now we are working on the front end of the website, and after that we will work on the back end of the website. We really hope that this platform will bring up the hope for everyone coping with this situation. So here is the prototype of the product we are building. These are some stories of recovered patients from different countries. So this is it. Thank you.